If you have plantar fasciitis, this will help you today. Pain at the bottom of the foot, specifically there, first step out of bed is the worst. The plantar fascia is the connective tissue on the bottom of your foot. The problem is not here. Wearing a boot to bed won't help. Wearing orthotics won't help. You gotta work on the cause. That's generally your lower leg, an imbalance there. Very simple. You can take your thumbs, roll behind your shin bone, also known as your tibia, and you're gonna work that muscle back there. You wanna make your work effective, move your foot. So you're gonna roll it out or evert it, and then you're gonna invert it. Evert, invert. When you invert it, bringing your ankle in, that's when you put the pressure on, and then you evert, stretching that posterior shin tissue, muscle, all back there. And we're basically doing a little pin and stretch, invert, evert, behind the shin. That will give you a relief today. Check out our foot course on how to strengthen your feet in 5 steps.